हेलो नमस्ते, how are you all doing? Hope you're all good. अब कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Yes, today we'll see how to turn on ads on your YouTube videos. After monetization, this is a compulsory step if you want to earn money through ads. Now YouTube will take 45% of this revenue and gives you 55% of revenue that comes from ads which are run on your YouTube videos. As you see in the picture, you have to turn on ads, otherwise called the monetization dollar symbol, for all your old videos after monetization. This is how it looks when you turn on the monetization dollar button. It will be green in color and yellow in color and red in color. Green color dollar symbol depicts that you can earn money through ads. Yellow color depicts that you have very limited chance to earn money. You have a red color dollar symbol on your videos as well. Sometimes it shows that there's no chance to earn money. Finally, you have one more dollar symbol that is crossed. It says that you're ineligible for monetization, and on those videos also you cannot earn money. As you see here, one of my videos is ineligible for monetization because I used third-party content of music. That's why it is ineligible for monetization. Sometimes you may use some others content on your videos or music, then you will have copyright issues and you have to face this monetization issue. Without any delay, we'll see now how you can turn on ads. After monetization, when you go to YT Studio, this is how the screen looks. You click on Get Started button. And here you see Turn on Ads button. You click on that. After you click, you select all types of ads as shown here. Click on Next. Once you click, you put a dot in the circle where it says all of my existing videos. You have to select that and click on Monetize All. This is one of the ways that you can turn on monetization button on all your old videos. It takes some time. Now we'll see some other ways wherein you can turn on monetization button on your videos. As shown in the picture, you can select each video individually. Go to monetization column. You will see the options here as on and off. You select on and click on save. That's it. Otherwise, you can go to any video and click on pencil icon. There you see the option as monetization. You can click on that. As I shown earlier, you'll see here the options of on and on. You have to turn on the monetization button as shown in the picture and click on done. Here you can set the timings of ads that should come on your videos. If the video length, of course, is 8 minutes or more, this is called location of video ads that I'll tell you in the next video. Finally, I'll show you one more way wherein you can turn on the monetization button on all your old videos or existing videos, whatever. You have to select all the videos as shown in the picture. You come down and select rows per page. You select the maximum number. Here I have selected 50. Once you select all the videos as shown in the picture, you click on edit and click on monetization. You'll see the options here as on and off. You select on, and once you select on, you click on update videos. After that, you will be asked a question. You put a tick mark in the box and click on update videos. That's it. You're done. You can do the same thing for the rest of the pages by selecting the videos. This completes the process of turning on monetization button or ads. Now, how can you check whether all your videos are turned on with monetization button or not? You can confirm in this way. Go to settings as shown in the picture. You will see here the options General channel, upload defaults. You click on upload defaults. Go to monetization. Click on that. You see here all the boxes with the tick marks. If there are not any tick marks, you can put a tick mark as shown in the picture. And now click on save. That's it. After you turn on the monetization button, make sure that you don't watch your own videos. If you watch, it will be an invalid activity and your monetization would be disabled. So make sure that you don't click on your own videos and watch. Okay, that's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Flying Skies One for more videos and important updates. Have a good day. Keep smiling.